This is exercise 12-1A, drawing with polylines. I've begun a new drawing from scratch. I have set my grid to 1/2 inch, my grid snap to 1/4 inch. I've zoomed all and turned on polar tracking. I've also set grid dots for my grid. That's a personal preference. That's not something that you have to do for this particular exercise. You can start the polyline command by typing pline or pl, or you can pick the polyline button on the toolbar, on the tool palette. AutoCAD tells me to specify a start point. I'll use an absolute coordinate, 6,5 in this case. And then I want to change the width. One of the wonderful things about polylines is that you can draw a line with width. Notice you have quite a few options here. We'll face quite a few more options as we go. To get familiar with these options, refer to section 12.1 in your textbook. We'll change our width and we'll make it 1/16 of an inch. Notice that it's asking me for the starting width, and I can specify the ending width as well. In this case, I'll accept the starting width as my default. I want to go 1.5 inches up. Then I want to switch to the arc option. Go 1 inch to my left. Go back to my line option. Come down another 1.5 inches. Go to the left 1.5 inches. Go back to my arc option. And in this case, I want to set my arc radius to 1/4 inch, like so. I'll come down. Notice now that as I continue, the arc reverses on me. I can change that by right-clicking and selecting Direction, telling AutoCAD that I want my arc to go in this direction, and I'll draw a second arc 1/2 inch down. Now I can go back to my line tools, come 1.5 inches over, 1.5 inches down, repeat my 1 inch arc, like so. Go back to my line, come up another 1.5 inches, go to the right 1.5 inches, and let's repeat our arcs, like so. Set the direction this way. Draw my second arc, right click, select the line option, and as with the line command, I have an option to close, so I will finish my polyline with the close option. And I've drawn one large polyline. The next thing I want to do, I'm going to zoom in just a little bit, so I want to draw a polyline inside here. Okay, we're going to repeat the polyline command. AutoCAD tells me to specify a start point. My start point will be 4.75, 4.5. Those are my absolute coordinates. This time we're going to play a little game with the width. I'll select my width option. I'll make my starting width 0 and my ending width 1/4 inch. This is how you create arrowheads. Then I'll go 1/2 inch in this direction. I'll go another 1/2 inch in this direction. Notice now that AutoCAD is drawing my polyline at the second width. Now I can right click, change my width again, tell AutoCAD that my starting width should be 1/4 inch and an ending width of 0 inches. Go another 1/2 inch over, complete the command, and you see how we draw arrows in AutoCAD.